Today I will show you how to create lowish sort stateless. Create Fusion composition, place it on the timeline and switch to Fusion. Add background node and set the color. I will use the gradient. Add rectangle node and connect background to media out. Use width and height to define the title box size. Position it using the center parameter. Choose border style and slightly round the corners using the corner radius. Add text node, enter text, adjust the font and size. Add another text node for the second line and position it. Now create animation. In the rectangle node, move the background left using center parameter and set level to 0. Add keyframes. Move time frame forward, set level to 1 and return background to original position. At frame 80, add another keyframe on a level. At frame 90, reduce it to 0. Open spline and smooth the animation. At frame 16, first text node in Layout tab, add keyframe on the center. In the Shading tab, add keyframe to opacity. Go back 8 frames, move the text toward the right edge of the background. Reduce opacity to 0. Enable motion blur in the setting and adjust it. At frame 90, add keyframe to opacity. At frame 100, reduce it to 0. Animate second text similarly, adjust direction and timing. Go to spline and smooth the text animation. Done. To learn even more about capability of DaVinci Resolve, don't forget to subscribe to channel.